Hello and welcome to Fin24. Today we speak to Neil Roots, CEO of debt counseling firm Debt Rescue. Welcome, Neil.
Thank you very much.
Neil, I want to ask you, you've been in the industry for a while, you know what you're doing. Are we making a mountain out of a debt molehill? Are we concentrating too much? Are we saying that there's too much debt when there isn't? How do you see the realistic debt situation of ordinary South African citizens? Do we have something to be concerned about?
Definitely. We're not making it worse than it really is. Definitely not. If you look at the stats provided by the National Credit Regulator, almost half of all credit active consumers are over indebted, meaning that they are in arrears with at least 3 payments on one of their accounts. And that amounts to almost 9.4 million consumers in South Africa. So that's definitely a problem. And we see on a daily basis when people come to Debt Rescue and they apply for debt review, we see how people are struggling and how before they come to us, unfortunately, what they sometimes do is they try to borrow their way out of debt. And you can definitely not do that. There was a report recently by the World Bank that indicated that South Africans are the biggest borrowers in the world. In fact, between the 2013 and 2014, 86% of South Africans took out a loan. So that's definitely concerning. So no, we're definitely not making it worse than it is.
Okay, so we are sitting in a country where people are experiencing enormous financial and emotional distress because of debt. How has your company, Debt Rescue, committed itself to help ease that absolute burden of debt?
Well, first of all, our company provides debt counseling. Now, that's a process in terms of the National Credit Act, which makes it possible for consumers to pay off their debt in an affordable manner without losing their assets. And in the process, we are also protecting them against their credit providers. Now, what we have done at Debt Rescue is we have appointed experts in this field, in the sense that not only are our people registered as debt counselors with the National Credit Regulator, but we have attorneys, accountants, and bankers here who understand the issues and who can really help the consumers, because this is actually nothing other than a legal process, and you need experts to help you in this regard.